Hello dear friend, this is the phone support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to download Play Market on your iPhone or iPad. It is quite real and now I will show you how to do it. It'll take a couple of minutes. First, let's go into the Safari browser. Here we click on the search bar and write Play Market. Now we need to select the first link that comes up on our screen. This is the site. Click here. This is the site that opens up. As you can see, we can already use the Google apps. There's a search and there's all the apps that we can install. And we can even add this app library to our desktop. How do we do that? To do this, we flip our device over. Now we maximize the Google Play icon. Make it so that it looks attractive. After that, we press the button Share. Click that button. Now we go a little lower and click Add to Home Screen. Now we can bring the phone back to the previous position. And in this line, we write the name that we want. I'll write Play Market. And we click Add. And now we see that there is a Play Market shortcut on the desktop or Apple device. I can just click here and it opens up the most standard Play Market that we can use on our iPhone or iPad. That's such a great and quick way to do it. This was the phone support channel. Like and subscribe to the channel.